It's a great day for keto. My name is Liftar, and I'm bringing you today's keto tip. Welcome. Today's keto bite: protein levels of foods for keto. In the keto diet, protein plays a super important role. You need protein to build and repair cells in the body. But many people don't realize that keto is not a high-protein diet. In keto, we just want the right amount of protein. Too much will keep you from losing weight. For fast weight loss, I like to use this formula: 20 grams of carbs per day, about 25% of calories from protein per day, and then about 70 to 80% of calories from fats. You might have noticed that this keto formula mixes weight, grams of carbs, which is a weight, grams, with percentages in the protein and fat, 25% of your calories from protein. That's one of the many wonderful, confusing things about trying to figure out your portions in keto. And by the way, we remove all of the confusion with a done-for-you plan, which you can find at rockthatketo.com/SK. And you can forget about all this figuring. Anyway, back to this. Today I have a list of common foods and their protein content by weight, in case that makes it easier for you, especially if you're trying to get your protein just right. So it's protein levels of foods by weight. Seafood: crab meat, shrimp, and lobster. 1 ounce contains 6 grams of protein. Fish: tuna fish, 1 ounce contains 7 grams of protein. Beef, chicken, turkey, pork, lamb, 1 ounce contains 7 grams of protein. And for jerky, beef or turkey jerky, 1 ounce contains 10 to 15 grams of protein. You can see the protein is concentrated. Egg: 1 ounce, 6 grams of protein. Peanut butter: 2 tablespoons, 7 grams of protein. Nuts: 1 ounce, 4 to 6 grams of protein. But remember, some nuts can be very high in carbs. Be careful and check which nut you're eating. Pistachios especially are just really high carb. Cheese: hard cheese, 1 ounce, 7 grams of protein. American cheese, 1 slice, which is about 2/3 of an ounce, 5 grams of protein. Veggies: raw leafy greens gives you 2 grams of protein, which many people don't know. Here's a great little formula to remember, mainly for these meats. This comes from the Johns Hopkins Medicine website. In general, 2 tablespoons or a portion of poultry, beef, pork, or fish, the size of 1/3 of a deck of cards, would equal 1 ounce and provide about 7 grams of protein. If it's equal to a whole deck of carbs, it would equal 3 ounces and provide about 21 grams of protein. So that's your list of protein levels in food for keto. Let's keto on and get this diet done. And that's today's Keto Bite. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com, and we'll see you next time.